Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use 11 labs voiceover for your social media content. So if you're looking for a voice for social media, all you have to do is to go to 11 labs website and click on the voices option here on the drop down menu, then click on my library here, the second option. Now the next step is to scroll and choose the social media section here, which creates the best voices for your social media content. We can proceed to sample each of them.
Difficulties increase the
Good.
Die Sonne geht im
So we can also choose the language we want.
皆さんこんにちは。
So once we selected the voice of our choice, we can proceed to add them to our my voices section, and work with them from that section. So this is how to use a social media voice on 11labs.io. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.